Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about how you can customize your features. In this particular case, we're going to be customizing the property one, which is one that has been asked a lot on the Facebook group. So let's go dive in. By default, once you've had the property feature enabled for a membership level, the property looks like this. So you come here, you see that you're going to be publishing it there, the title, the status, something like that. If you have the Google services installed, then this would work. And then a couple of more things you have here. Okay. What I don't like is, for example, for the beds, I gotta pick it from this list, which is annoying. Same for the bath. I would actually like it if I was able to do this. Okay. So we're going to be customizing a couple of things here, and one of the questions was about showing a checkbox list of features for the property. So let's start working on this first. So first we need to go to um, form manager, and we gotta customize the property one. The property here is the property one. Actions, customize, and let me show you something here. So first, I want to introduce you on how you can change an existing select box to a checkbox and also make it pretty. So let's go here, format, here's the property one. Okay, so let's go to that specific one, this one. Here you can see the values for rent, for sale, rented, sold, etc. Right now, it's the type of field is drop down list. We need to change that to a checkbox. Okay, a lot of people are just going to be doing this. They're going to save it, and you can either see it here on the right or you can come here and refresh it, but it's basically going to be the same thing. You're going to see something like this and you're going to be like, what the? Okay, so um how can we fix this? How can we fix that? You fix that by clicking here on the gear icon and basically making sure that this is not here. Remove that puppy from there. Form control does something else with the input fields, but it also affects the visual look of a checkbox. Okay, so now you have it all nice and neat like this. On some cases, you might have a really long checklist here of things that they can select. For those cases, there's another trick that you can do. You can, in the outer element ID, you can type inline. And what it does, or at least tries to do, there's other better ways, is instead of showing everything in a vertical way, it shows it in a horizontal way. Okay. There's other ways of making this prettier, a little bit of custom work there. Um, we also want to change the behavior of this too, the beds and bath. Okay, we want it to look like this square feet here. Uh, so let's go to that one. Here's another one that would be nice to have like a checkbox. Okay, here's this one. This bunch of numbers does not at all make any sense. Okay, that's not friendly at all. So we're gonna remove all that. There's a new type of field here called numeric. Okay, numeric, integer only. So we're only gonna use that one, the integers. Same for you. And there's a class called just numbers or something like that. Yeah, this one. Okay, and we're gonna copy that one from here and put it here. Same here. Let's save that puppy and let's see how it looks right now. So we got that one. Now we can click like this. Like for example, somebody that's renting and selling the home at the same time. And now we can come here and can do this. Okay, it's friendlier. Obviously, there's a customization where you can add decimals and then specify the decimals are going to be either 0 or 5, meaning 2.5 uh, bathrooms or 3.5 bathrooms, something like that. Um, and lastly, another question that I saw there was how can I add a custom field here so that it shows on the front? So let's customize this year built kind of thing here. So again, we're gonna put a checkbox. We're gonna say here features. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's start adding some features here. So we're gonna say I don't know, bathtub. Okay, and then sauna, and then I don't know, sexy pool, whatever. I don't know, and then indoor pool. What the hell? Let's just leave it like that with those options. Save that puppy. Okay, we got them there. Let's make it a little bit more pretty. Inline. Okay, there we go. Features, and you can add more and more and more. Although once you get to the second line, it's gonna look a little bit weird. That's why I was saying there's a better way of doing this. But for now, this applies to a lot of BD owners. Let's create the property then. Let's refresh here. Property test. Let's publish that one. This one's for rent and sale. Some address there, price, something there. Uh, it has, I don't know, 5, 7. Jesus. Um, I don't know. I don't know. Sure, it has this one and that one too, and here is a dragon of something. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's save it. Let's upload some images. Well, actually, let me select them all. Okay, there we go. And now let's go see our property. Here's our property, the images and everything about it. But you can also see on the sidebar the custom fields that we just put there. So features, bathtub, sexy pool, indoor pool, something, something, square footage, bathrooms, bedroom, the price. It's a townhouse for rent and for sale, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, one of the questions on the Facebook group was, I don't see this here. That might be, and that's why I had this one open, is because somebody customized this sidebar, this specific sidebar. So if you go to Toolbox, Sidebar Manager, if you have this specific one, the post single page customize, it might mean that one of the widgets for that sidebar is gone. Specifically, the one that says post meta details 2.0. That one is this specific one here. So if you customize that one, you gotta add the widget to it again, this one, or just if you're customizing just for the fun of it, you can remove the whole custom widget from the sidebar manager. And that's it. You should be able to see it like this, exactly like this. So this solves, or this video answers custom fields showing here. It taught you some tricks here about how you can show checkboxes in a nicer way, and how you can change specific fields that maybe you're not comfortable with using in a specific way there to another one, just numbers in this case. And that's it. Yeah, I think that covered a couple the questions that I saw in the Facebook group. So have fun, big hugs to everybody, and think positive. Bye.